In this video, I'll share a few things that'll help you understand the installation process. Our goal is to help set expectations that allow for a smooth process from beginning to end. One day prior to the scheduled installation, our warehouse manager will call you to confirm what time you can expect us to arrive. On your scheduled installation day, our installers will pick up your custom ordered job materials from our warehouse and deliver them to the job site. So what can you expect from our crew? They will be wearing company apparel, they'll be respectful of you and your home, they'll keep the job site clean, they will not smoke or use foul language, and will conduct themselves professionally. If you selected to have us move your furniture and/or appliances, our installers will do that upon entering your home. In addition, if you choose to remove your existing flooring yourself, we'll make sure the subfloor is ready for the new flooring materials. Occasionally, unforeseen modifications are needed to prep the subfloor for the new flooring. We'll discuss this with you before doing any additional work. If you selected us to remove your existing flooring, we'll do so in a manner that protects your walls, doors, cabinetry, and baseboards. All flooring materials removed will be taken off-site for proper disposal. Once our installers have finished their work, they'll move all the furniture back and clean the work areas before they leave. We typically finish most projects the same day. Once the job is completed, you'll receive an email with important information, such as product warranty, how to care for guides, our limited lifetime installation warranty, and the final invoice. Expect to receive a phone call from our warehouse manager within 24 hours to follow up and make sure you are completely satisfied with our work. At that time, we'll also collect final payment. We appreciate the opportunity to work inside your home and value your trust in us. As always, be sure to let me know if there's anything further we can do for you.